Welcome back everyone. Quickly, let's continue our discussion on CSS colors, and right now we'll be discussing about how to use CSS color values. In CSS, colors can also be specified using RGB values, X values, HSL values, RGBA values, and HSLA values. If you have to know much more about RGBA, HEX, HSL, RGBA, and HSLA values, you have to check our previous tutorial where we discussed about our playlist on HTML beginners to the advanced level. We have a playlist there where we discuss about HTML colors, where we discuss about it. We discuss about RGB and all that. We discuss about it in our in the full details, so you can check it if you need to know much more about it, because in the future we are still going to get to it also here. But if you want to know deeper about it also, you can just check our playlist on RGB or HES. You can check the playlist, but it's on the HTML tutorial that we did in our previous tutorial. So also right now, for you to have something to use quickly, just for you in case you need it in your document now, so we are going to specify, you are going to know what is the main thing they call color values and how to use it. So now let's get started. Right now we are going to use RGB values so you can be able to understand this in deeper way. Right now, reload. Can you see what we are having in our previous tutorial where we discuss about CSS colors? And right now the CSS color border is the one that we use there. Right now we are going to remove the border. When we discuss about the CSS border, this is the code we have, and let's reload our document. Now I've removed the border. Now that is remain only the color right here. Right now let's remove this color again and see what we got. When we reload, can you see we have color black, default color, right? The default color value. Now let's bring in another value from RGB. The RGB have three values: red, green, and blue. And right here, this you cannot represent RGB value with text. That's the problem here. So you have to represent it using what? Using 0 to 255. So now right here you are going to change this to 0. This one is going to be 0, and this one also is going to be 0. And if you can increase this to 255, you can have the main green color, red color. Can you see we are having red color? Let's change this to 0 again. Let's take this to 255 RGB, which is green. The green, can you see we are having green color? And you can see when you use this 255 again, the blue is going to come up and the blue is going to be, can you see? Now let's say we decrease this to 120. You are going to see it's going to be deep, can you see, deep blue, can you see? And when you bring it down again, it's going to be coming down to the dark level. Can you see it's coming to the dark level? So let's now mix it again with red. Now can you see we are having this? We mix dark with red. This is the color we are having. Let's mix it with 200. Can you see what we got? So when you mix color, you are going to have different things. So let's mix it again with our green. Let's bring in green. Can you see the kind of color we now got? Can you see what we got now? So you can mix it with 25 green. So when you mix colors, that's how you will increase and decrease all these three values, so you can be able to have your RGB value. So in deep details, we have discussed about this just in how many minutes. So for you to use it, you can use it now anywhere in your document, as you can see, to specify color. And if you don't want to use this, let's say you want to use the color name, so you can use color name like red. Then when you specify red, you can have red color. That's all. But if you want to have full control over the red color, then you can use RGB to specify the way you want it to light, or the way you want it to dark, and so on and so forth. That's the benefit of using color values. Make sure you practice, because practice makes perfect. You can learn more about color values. You will learn more about it in our RGB, HEX, and HSL in the next chapter. So Anwar Akorede Ayofe is my name. I wish to see you guys next time in our next tutorial. Have a great day. Thank you so much.